I'm going to build the back part of police style unit. Sorry, I'm not talking too much. I just don't know what to say. It's a pretty cool set. That's all I can say. It's a really awesome set. And yes, I'm starting. 1 second. Sorry, I put it down. I'm starting a Lego school, which I'm showing you the desk. If I show you one of the desks. Okay, I got off track. Put that on the back right there.